Rightio, welcome back. Might sound a little bit raspy in the throat throughout the video. Don't know. Hopefully not, but I'm a bit crook, so nose is blocked and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, I was going to go to the gym this morning, but I was like, no, cannot be bothered. So I went to the chemist and I brought cough lollies, nasal spray, everything. So I feel not too bad, but yeah. So pretty well today, my plan, I reckon I might get in here, get all that rubber out of there with a scraper, and same as the other side, just to try and prevent possible fires. Yeah, I think it'll be right. Ooh, that's a bit bright. Prevent possible fires. Hasn't caught fire in years actually, but yeah, last time I think I caught fire was UBC Winton back in the day, but I had a full exhaust on that time, so yeah, we don't have full pipes now, which is good. But yeah, as well as I'm gonna dump the oil out of it. That oil's been in there, well, did thrash nats, did a couple of startups here before tune, did the tune, and yeah, so I'll change that now, and then that way the oil's, you know, spot on for spring nuts. Yeah, and that'll be pretty much about it, I'd reckon. Pretty well just a maintenance day. And then yeah, just tinker around, I reckon. That'll be the go. Now, because the oil's that fucking thick, I'm just gonna let it do its thing. Actually looks not half bad, but fuck it. We're on a bit of downtime for a month or so, so yeah, just let it do its thing. Yeah, while that's draining, might bring it down a little bit, and I'll get to scraping some rubber at the back of this thing. Right, so I've done a fair bit with the scraper, but I reckon what I'm going to do, I'm going to cheat a little bit here and chuck it on a wire wheel and see what we can, see how much we can knock off. I'm not interested in getting it fucking fully clean, but you know, better than what it was will help, I think. So I'll give it a hit with this wire wheel, and yeah, we'll see how it looks after it. Right, that side's done. All that. I'm gonna sweep it all up. This side actually wasn't as bad. Just hit it under there with a scraper, so yeah, should be right, I think. Like, I didn't want it clean anyway, because I'm not really interested in spending that amount of time to get it clean. But yeah, so yeah, I'll sweep all this up, give the shed a blowout. Might even tidy up the shed. There's fucking shit everywhere. Oil's still draining. Well, it's finished draining now, but yeah, put the sump plug back in it and change the filter for oil. That'll be it. Right, so oil filter's out. Yeah, apparently they didn't have any of them in stock, so I put that one on. Apparently it's a high efficiency oil filter, and this thing needs all the efficiency it can fucking get, you know. So I'm all for it. If it works, it works. I don't care, as long as it filters the oil and does its filtration things, and I'll be happy. So yeah, that's where we're at now. Tell you what, I'm sick of fucking sniffling. It's horrible. But bring it back down and put some oil in it. Right, well, service is done. Started using that shit now. It's real sticky. It's like honey. It's good. So it should like stick to everything up the top, keep everything lubed up a bit, I guess. But yeah, seems to be good shit. I was running the Lucas for a bit, but thought fuck, I'll try this shit. Trav's using it as well, so doesn't seem to have an issue with it. So, well, his blowing up wasn't caused by the oil, all right? Because otherwise mine would have blown up too. But yeah, I reckon that's going to be me. I'm feeling meh, to be honest. Right, so it's the next day. Went inside yesterday, felt a bit shit, so today I'm actually feeling heaps better. You know, not 100%, but better than what I was. But figure while I'm going along, you know, doing a bit of maintenance and stuff, I'm going to pull my rocker covers off because I want to check my rockers to make sure they're tight, because I didn't do that for a very long time, and I had all 16 rockers walk off and they weren't attached to anything really. Yeah, so I figured fuck it, we'll make sure that it isn't going to do that again. So yeah, I'll pull these leads off the coils, pull the coils off, covers off, just to check everything. And yeah, if all is good, put it all back together. So let's do that. Right, so that side was pretty good. Yeah, made sure the bolts were tight, because yeah, definitely don't want them walking again. Yeah, so I put this side back together, checked the other side, but at the moment I've just got the Bathurst race on in the background. But yeah, I'm actually enjoying just tinkering around. You know, I don't normally do stuff on Sundays, but I don't know, I've been getting around it lately. Spend an hour out here or so and yeah, just fuck around, you know what I mean? So yeah, put that other side back together, start that side. Yeah. Righto, that side's back together. Just pulled that side apart and that side's all good too. So I'll slam that back together, the coils back on, and then yeah, I reckon that'll be it. Well, we're all done. Both sides back together. Yeah, just a quick, easy check. Sort of learnt my lesson last time when I didn't check it for a very long time, and yeah, they all went dancing around, and the car didn't run right. But yeah, learnt my lesson with that. So I check them every once in a while now. I will wash underneath the engine bay and all that sort of stuff when it's closer to spring nuts time. You know, as of filming this, we're still a little bit over a month, so you know, we've got a bit of time. The engine side of things done, it's serviced. Just waiting on my diff to come back now, so once that's back, bang that in, and then yeah, we'll be laughing. We'll be ready to rock and roll for spring nuts. So went from, you know, 308s to 345, so when that's back, put that in, and I think it'll be set to kill at spring nuts. So anyway, that's me done and dusted. I think I can see a couple of big clouds coming in, so it's about to piss down rain, I reckon. So time to go inside and chill and get set for the working week. So hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.